Watch Donna's arms.
Oh, no, don't, because I'll mess them up.
Oh, no, you won't. Or remember that I have only one arm.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I got no pressure.
Hi, there you go, weather girl. And we got news for you. You better listen. Get ready, all you lonely girl. And leave the over and alright.
Step touch. Shoulders.
According to all sources.
Stop sign.
The streets are place to go.